Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. Bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2017 Ford Explorer XLT two-wheel drive with 145,000 miles. It's a really nice full-size SUV with a third row. It's a one owner, really nice inside and out. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of the features. So you can see this Explorer has a really nice finish overall. It's got kind of a dark gray color, no dents, scratches, no rust or corrosion. Definitely well cared for, well maintained. XLT package comes standard with the aluminum wheels. This one also has parking sensors in the back, backup camera, some nice chrome details. Comes with a clean title. No salvage, no flood history. Really nice mid-size SUV. Here's a shot of the inside. You can see it's very clean. Upholstery's in great shape. No stains or rips or tears. Headliner as well looks great. Nice big center console. Comes with dual climate control. Nice big touchscreen display. With, of course, Bluetooth. Comes standard with cruise control, all your steering wheel controls as well. Original floor mats, really look brand new. Lots of features on the interior. Here you can see the second row. It's the same story, just no blemishes at all with the upholstery. Everything's very clean, no smoky smell or pet odor. Also here, the third row, you can see is in excellent condition. Of course, that folds down to give you more space in the back, but can be accessed from here in the second row by folding the seat down. Rear AC as well. No smoky smell or pet odor. Comes with the power liftgate. And again, here's the cargo space. Even with the seats up, you still have quite a bit of room back here. Plenty of storage compartments. But then, as we mentioned, you can fold these seats down. They'll fold down flat, and you'll have quite a bit more space back here in the back. Here's, of course, the view of the front passenger side. And upholstery is in great condition. Sorry for the bad lighting. That's not a stain, just some some rays from the sun. Again, you can see the mats in great shape. It's got the original books. Power seats. Really nice features. Under the hood, you got the 3.5 liter V6. No rust underneath the hood, very clean overall. You can see that V6 runs nice and smooth. Definitely well maintained and well taken care of mechanically. It's also got a nice set of wheels and tires. All four tires are in excellent condition. The ones here in the back are probably closer to 75% on the tread. Front tires are a little bit less, but all four are nice and smooth on the road. And then, of course, you come standard with these 18-inch alloy wheels. All four are in excellent condition. No rust, no corrosion, no curb rash. All right, everyone, thanks for checking out the video for this 2017 Ford Explorer XLT two-wheel drive with 145,000 miles. Really nice full-size SUV, one owner. Lots of great options. We encourage you to check out our website, ByronThomasAuto.com, where you can find more pictures and a link to this video, along with the rest of the inventory we have on our lot. And then, of course, if you like, you can call or text us anytime, 252-567-3885. We'll be glad to schedule a test drive or answer any questions that you have. Have a great day.